or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, this side Nidhi. Today we are going to focus on the glowy makeup tutorial because I know many of you just want to know how people do that, and you might have seen it on Pinterest as well, but I just want to spill the tea that it's not their skin, it's the product they are using and the way they are using it. Before starting, I just want to thank you all because we just hit 2k subscribers on YouTube. And it is a big thing for me. I am telling you, I just started being consistent and this thing happened. It's like a boom for me. And yeah, I am promising you, you are going to see a lot of videos and me being consistent here because I do have this gut feeling that this is going to be something big. So let's just get into the video. First step is prepping up your skin, and I'll be starting with the toner. I have these two toner which are like my most favorite ones. This one is from Pixi, this one is from Tony Moly, and you can use any, it's not the thing, but I just want to say that when you use toner, everything that you're applying on the top of it gets blend like seamlessly and flawlessly. Are you guys liking the weather? It's super humid. I hate this weather. Whenever I apply toner, I feel so relaxed. After that, we're gonna go with the moisturizer. This is the moisturizer that I use. It's been a while. This is like affordable and the formulation is really simple. Like it is what it says. Yeah. So just a bit of it. Hitting 2k subscribers is literally a big deal for me because I am telling you, when you build something from literally zero, and when you like build it a little, even it gives you a sense of this confidence and this motivation that there is even something bigger for you in that. I'll go with this Elf Cosmetics ka tint, which is like my most favorite. I don't apply anything else. मैं हमेशा ये use करती हूँ because it's super light, it's super glowy. It gives that glowy finish to your skin and just say you look very fresh. I am not going to apply this under my dark circles because उसकी वजह से मेरे dark circles भी बहुत ज़्यादा glow करेंगे. इसलिए मैं इसको सिर्फ अपने मतलब फेस पे लगाऊंगी. The OG L'Oreal concealer for the concealing my under eyes because ये इतना like this is like the one of the most used concealer in my vanity. बस इसको इतना सा लगाने की नीड है and you are done. So yeah. यूज़ किया डेल्बा का विच इज़ लाइक अ फर्स्ट स्प्रे सिरम. इसके वजह से क्या होता है ना, मेरा मेकअप बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड हो जाता है. यू कैन गो फॉर एनी सेटिंग स्प्रे, ज़रूरी नहीं है यही लेना है, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन समथिंग गुड जिसकी वजह से आपका मेकअप बहुत ग्लोई दिखे, सो जस्ट गो फॉर दिस. नॉट जस्ट मेकअप बट आई इवन अप्लाई दिस लाइक कभी भी समर में व्हेन आई एम फीलिंग लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसी गर्मी हो रही है, सो आई जस्ट थोड़ा सा एंड इट मेक्स मी फील रियली लाइक फ्रेश. के बाद वैसे होना तो आई मेकअप चाहिए, बट आई लाइक टू अप्लाई ब्लश. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस न्यू एडिशन जो मैंने आज ही रिसीव किया है, मतलब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था इसे. दिस इज फ्रॉम शी ग्लैम. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज, go on Tira and try this brand because this is not going to fail you. This is one of the best blushes of my life. It is super cute. Look at this. And इसमें ब्लश का स्पिल होने का कोई सेंस है ही नहीं बिकॉज ये ऐसा है, अंदर से नीचे प्रोडक्ट है एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू डिप इट एंड देन दिस इज सो क्यूट. अप्लाई दिस ओवर हियर एंड मुझे ना एक चीज़ बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती है जब वो ब्लश ना वहाँ पे सेटल हो जाता है. ये सेटल नहीं होता है. लुक एट दैट. I'll just dab it. Looking for any link, I'll mention in description because this is like the must for every girly out there. And this is the highlighter. I have high hopes because blush इतना अच्छा है तो highlighter भी अच्छा ही होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा इधर लगाऊंगी मैं, ठीक है. ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना चाहिए, otherwise I'll look like a ghost. So yeah. Palette, I'll be using this Huda Beauty palette. इसके shades बहुत minimal है and if you know me, you know I love minimal things. So this is the shade I'll use. So this is the brush you'll be using जब आप कोई भी ऐसे न्यूट्रल या एकदम मिनिमल टोन को अपनी आंखों में ब्लेंड कर रहे हो, तो इससे क्या होगा ना, you just have to like do this circular motion और उससे वो अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाएगा। आंखों के नीचे के लिए, यहाँ के लिए I'll go with this brush. This is like the flat brush and उसके बाद I'll use this brown tone. तो मैं बस उसको ना ऐसे लाइन एक बना दूंगी अपने लैशेस के जस्ट नीचे। Different kind of look to your eyes. You can see the difference. Now is the time for kajal and I'll be using this L'Oreal kajal जो एक्चुअली में एक अलग ही टोन का है। This is not black, this is like the dark grayish kajal and इसी reason से I really like it. And yeah, look at that.
That's perfect.
That feeling when you're doing your makeup and it exactly goes the way you want it to go. That is different. We are almost done with the eye makeup. थोड़ा सा बस lashes करना है and done. To uplift my brows, I'll be using this PAC का mascara. ये actually में mascara है but मैं इसे ये reason से use करती हूँ and उससे actually में हो भी जाता है, ये देखना। Now is the time for mascara. First, let me just curl my lashes. पता है एक बार ना मैंने किसी को तो भी कर्ल करके दिए थे lashes and she was literally scared कि उसके lashes बाहर नहीं आ जाए। I was like ऐसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? This is like basically you are just curling your lashes. You are not pulling them. Wait. But you have to be careful while doing this. Already मेरे lashes अच्छे दिख रहे हैं but we have to apply mascara. This is the L'Oreal mascara. I love L'Oreal makeup. इतना अच्छा मेकअप होता है उनका और प्राइस भी अच्छा ही होता है, अफोर्डेबल होता है। For the lip combo, firstly I'll be going with this Mars Cosmetics का lip liner. This is in the shade Cinnamon Roll and I love this shade. I mean मैं बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ और every time ये ख़त्म हो जाता है मैं इसको रीस्टॉक कर लेती हूँ because save your lip liner है ये। This is the way you line your lips. ये मेरे normal lips है और उसके just ऊपर मैंने थोड़ा सा किया है। उससे क्या होता है ना, आपकी lips थोड़ी सी plumped हो जाती है and they look really good. I have this new lipstick from Maybelline. ये ink है, मेरे पास ऐसे में एक red था, थोड़ा सा reddish अलग ही कलर था, बहुत अच्छा था. That is the reason I got this. So apply करना बनता है. Look at that shade. This is the reason I got the another one because जो red वाला था ना, that I don't apply usually, but this kind of shade can go with any outfit, and this really looks so. I mean, this is not pink. This is like purplish kind of shade, but ये बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा दिख रहा है. I love this shade. Though this video was all about makeup, so we are done with it. It's bold, not that bold, but little bold, minimal, shining, glowing, and I love it. So what do you think about it, guys? Comment down below, and if you want any link or if you want to ask anything, just comment down and I'll respond. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you want to be a part of this family, just join, just subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.